morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Happy Christmas Eve. Tonight, Robin and I will be having our Christmas dinner, but I'll get to that in a moment. Yesterday was kind of a busy day. First things first, I prepared the creme brulee for tonight and snackage later through the week. They turned out beautiful. Then I did a cooking demo on Chorba from Bulgaria. Another great example of simple can make the best meal. Try it. It's excellent. I'll admit I added just a little more Hungarian paprika to this soup, but not gobs. Try it. It's really good. So for tonight's dinner, actually, I'm starting with a snack. I'm going to do classic spinach dip. I'm going to get to that early because you want it to marinate. You want it to, all the flavors to blend together. And then we'll put together an olive oil bread dip, the same one we put together for Thanksgiving. That's how much of a hit it was. We're repeating it for this holiday. And then for dinner, I'm doing a Cuban pork roast. Oof. This is one that's been sitting in my queue for quite a long time. I just needed an occasion to prepare it. And that's going to go with a combo veggie potato side dish, garlic herb roasted potatoes, carrots, and zucchini. Wait for pictures. And here's the creme for the creme brulee. They turned out beautiful. Can't wait to put some brulee on them. For those of you who live in Northern California, and I'm sure other parts of the nation, stay inside if you can. It's windy and very rainy here in Sutter County, California, and it's going to continue through Christmas, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning. So, again, happy Christmas Eve. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.